Ever accidentally press two keys when you only meant to press one on your phone's keyboard? That happens because phone keyboards are usually small, making typing tricky for many people. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your keyboard and keys bigger so typing messages or any text feels much easier. Just a heads up, this feature isn't available on iPhones. Let's get started. Open up the Message app, create a new chat. From here, in the keyboard, you'll see a settings icon. Tap on it. Then scroll down. Here you'll find the size and transparency. Tap on it. Now drag it to Enlarge. Then tap Done. After that, tap Font Size. Now drag the slider to the right. It will make your font larger, and it will be much more comfortable to type on your keyboard. That's it for today. I hope this video helped you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.